So today in this class, we have discovered the second object in the VBA microprogram. I have also told you first is the application, second is the workbook. We have skipped the application, and second we have discussed about the workbook, and today discuss the sheet. So what is the do with the sheet and how can do with the sheet with the VBA programming? Okay, first, how can add the new sheets? So for the adding the new sheet, have a code sheets dot add. Okay, sheets dot add. You have add new sheets, right? When you run this macro, your sheet will be add. Check it. New sheet be add. But problem is that I want to add the sheet at my positions because now when you add the my sheet, sheet will be add before of the active sheet. Okay, but I want to add after the sheet 2, after the sheet 2. Before this, we have discussed about the sheet calling method. Sheet calling method. How can go to the, call any of the sheets? So in sheet calling method, have a three type. First, with sheet property name, the sheet one, sheet one dot select. After dot, you have call any object, only any object member. So sheet one, it means this name. Okay, this the call property name. Second, the sheets, the caption name. Sheet one is the caption name. Sheet one is the caption name. I have changed sheet one Jan like Jan. So now this property name not have effective because you have changed the caption name, property name sheet one also. But your caption here, second line we affected, you need to change Jan. Okay. So your first call from your property name, second call from the your caption name, and third is the sequence number. The sheet one is the third positions, the third position. Dot select. Okay. Okay. And fourth is the active sheet, the common, right? So I want to add the sheet. I want to add the sheets, but at my position. So when you space before and after, I want to after. So just give the one comma. You skip the before and after will be activated. Okay. Now we have give the sheet name just like sheet three after sheet three, right? So we have write the sheet name using this method. So I have choose the second method that called sheet caption name. Okay, sheet caption name, sheets and sheet three. Okay, you can also choose your method. Say I want to choose the property name to be just right here sheet three. Okay, because sheet three property name is sheet three. You can also write here the positions just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Okay. So my seed add the after 5 sheet. Okay. But I want to add my seed the last after the last sheet. Every time seed add in the last positions. Last positions. Okay. So we have just right here one simple code sheets dot count. Sheets dot count. So sheet dot count give the number of sheets 5, 6, 7, 10 like that, and sheet add after of the sheet. Okay, sheet add at last. Okay, So you have aware about the you have add the you have add the sheet. Simply add and add your positions. Okay. Now I want to rename the sheet. We can rename anything in your sheet. Just like I want to change sheet 3 to 5 March. Sheet 3 to March. So first you have pick any method. Just like I have picked the method. I have picked the caption name. Caption name. Sorry, property name. Property name is the sheet 3 to sheet 3. So we have right here sheet 3 dot name equal to March. Okay. So you pick your method according your requirement, according your requirement. How can decide if we have picked from the seat property name, seat caption name, seat position number? Okay, yeah, active sheet. For active sheet fix, you want to do something with your active sheet, then use the active sheet. But I want to when you have my sheet is fixed, my sheet is fixed, but every time rename my just like somebody reports they are the fix it, but every time we have rename just like Jan report, Fab report, March report, like that. So name will be changed every time, but sheet is fixed. That time we have used the property name. Okay, but your seat name is fixed, but seat will be changed. Just like you have delete the seat, add the new seat, and do something in the seat, and after that you have rename. Sorry, not do not rename the seat, but a seat will be sorry seat. You have delete the seat, and you have insert the new sheet and enter the same name. So name is fixed, but sheet is not fixed. So that time we have used the sheet caption name, right? But I don't about the idea how many sheets and what the sheet caption name, sheet property name. That time we have used the sheet sequence number. Just like here, I don't want to what is the last sheet. I don't have idea about the uh, what is the last sheet name. Okay, so we have extract the total number of the sheet, and we have give this in the sheets. That called calling sheet sequence calling method. Okay, so sheet three, we have sheet three dot name, but I want to add I want to rename my new added sheet. Okay, new added sheet. Just like sheets dot add, and we have right here active sheet dot name equal to March. Okay, but I have also about the idea before the adding sheet. My name is fixed, and I also decided we have required the sheet with name March. So that time we have right here sheets add dot name equal to March. Okay, it is clear. Any problem? So we have learned about how can call the sheet, what is the sheet naming method. We have add the new sheets and rename the new sheets and rename the one particular sheet also, right? Any questions? Uh, Three. This is three position sheets. Okay. And if you write the sheet three, if you write the sheet three, it means which sheet have a property name sheet three. We have go change name and select anything. Okay. Okay. If you write it just like Jan, so sheets Jan, it means which sheet have a caption name. It means so here Jan. So we have picked from the sheets with caption. Okay. Okay. So learn next. So now I want to delete my sheets. I want to delete the sheet two. One, tell me. Sheet no. Sheet one. It means which sheet had a property name sheet one. Yeah, right here. Sheet. Property name sheet one. Property name sheet one. But caption name the Jan. You can see here. Caption name Jan. But this Jan sheet property name have a sheet one. Okay. The position. Third position. Okay. Third position. Which sheet have a third position? Uh, Sheet three. Which sheet have a property name sheet three? This is sheet three. Property name. No, not a position. Not a position. Which sheet have the property name sheet three? Yeah, right. Okay. So now I want to delete my sheets. So if you have a confusion about the sheets, you have used the sheet property caption name. That's like sheet three like that. Okay, simply, right? So, but I have write I go now we have go to the property name, right? Property name. So I want to delete the sheet two. Which sheet property name is the sheet two? You can also change the property name, just like we have changed the month, right? So now you can see here, sheet two property name have a month, but property name change only for programmer, not a user. But caption name may be changed anybody, and also position change anybody. So I want to sheet month. Month, it means property name is month, it will be delete. So month dot delete. So sheet will be deleted, but have a problem. When you run this macro, you have got the one pop-up, the confirmation. When you click the delete, then your code will be deleted, otherwise not deleted. I want to bypass this pop-up. See, when you run my macro don't ask this of the pop-up because this pop-up is the micro breaker. So when you click delete, then run our next code, right? So we have write the one simple line here. I have changed the application setting. The application dot display alert equal to false. Okay, and now we have paste here and true. So we have off the your display alert settings. Read the sheet and offers on the your display setting, display alert setting. Okay. So when you have used the delete code, you have need to give the alert off. Okay. So now we will learn about the delete sheet. Insert, rename, delete. Okay. Now I want to move the sheet. Just like my sheet, the third, Jan's in the third position. I want to put in the first position. Yeah, last position. Yeah, any of the after that. So we have right here the sheet one dot move. We are writing the sheet one dot move. That means your sheet move in the new file. Move and copy and select their new file. Move in the new file. Okay, but I want okay, move in new file. But I want to move within the file after the positions. So that time read here sheet one dot move and right here before after. I want to after sheet two. So we have right here sheets and sheets name we have give the sheet calling method using the calling method. Sheet three. That's sheet two. Okay. So my sheet 1, sheet 1 is property. You see, this Jan sheet moves to after sheet 2. It means here. So you can run, when you run, this sheet moves to after sheet 2. But I have also the new file. One already existing file, book 2. I want to move this sheet to book 2, last of the sheet. Okay. So that time we have write here code sheet 1 dot move, and we have write after, copy the comma, skip the blank, skip the before, sorry, skip the before, and we write here work book, and we have give the book 2 dot xlsx xlsxm whatever extension dot sheets, and we have give the sheets dot count. Okay. Now my seat 1, it means Jan seat, move to book 2, the after of the last of the seat. Okay. Is it clear? Oh, book 2 is the file name. Book 2 is the file name. Got it? Same like copy. Same like copy. We are right here just copy. Copy. Change the words copy. Copy in the new file. Copy in the after sheet 2, and copy in the new book 2 file. Okay. So move and copy just like cut on paste, right? And copy is the control C, control V, like that. Do you have know about the how can copy and how can move your sheets, entire sheet? Yes. Okay. Now I want to visibility, hide and hide sheet. I want to hide the sheet. Sheet 1 dot visual equal to Excel sheet hidden. You select the Excel sheet hidden. Okay. So that means if we have hide, normally hide the sheet. Anybody right click here and hide the sheet. Right? But we have right here sheet 1 dot visual equal to very hidden. Very hidden means if your sheet will hide, nobody click and hide. Okay. Not show in the unhide list. If you want to unhide, you need to write your code. Dot visual equal to visual. Okay. So you can visual any sheet here, but if you write code here, so visual only only for this code. And if you write the Excel sheet hidden, this is the normal hidden. You anybody unhide using the right click and unhide. Click on the unhide. Okay. Now need to protection. How can protect the sheet? So we are right here sheet 1 dot protect protect. We are write the password. Password in the character, give the inverted comma A B C. Okay. But one thing, when you have right click and protect sheet, lot of the checkbox. I want to click the sorts. How can you click with the VBA? So when you have a space, you can see a lot of the options. So I want to give the allow sorting, allow sorting. So we have two ways. First, you have used the comma, comma, comma. You can see it. Your will be bolded here. Contain scenario, allow formatting column, rows, column, rows, and this is the allow sorting. Now we have put here true. But you had the problem like that. That time we have used the this system all of the, objects, not only for seed protection. Okay, to protect. Now we have give the password and solve equal to 1 2 3 anything. Now allow sorting. Allow sorting. If we have some, okay, so SOR SOR, okay, equal. Okay, now you can see here, you allow sorting will bold. So you have write the same spelling and give the semicolon equal, then your function will pick your inputs. Okay. So now we have give the password with allow sorting. Now I want to unprotect. So we write here sheet one dot unprotect and give the pass. Right. So we have add the sheet. We have go to the any sheet. We have add the new sheets. We have rename the sheets. We have delete the sheets. We have move the sheet. We have copy the sheets, hide and hide the sheet, and protect unprotect the sheet. Right. So we have do this when you right click this type of simple one. Okay. So you have to do the practice, and tomorrow we have discussed the one project also with the sheets, and I have do the project the half and half project you have to be. Okay. So you have practiced this, understand the what is the method of the sheets. Okay, this code, and tomorrow we have discussed about the one project, like the last class project, workbook project.